Alright, so once the files are present in your SD card root directory, you need to go to your camera in the menu. Now go to settings in LUT library. So you can overwrite anything if you have. So I will say load, and from there use my new LUT or whatever you want to name it. You can have that name. Import, yes. Once the LUT has been loaded correctly, you will see my new LUT.cube file in your LUT library. Now from there, if you want to apply that, you just need to go to your menu, shooting menu, photo style, and from here you can select, you can move across this way. Okay, in my photo I can actually go down there, change it to standard. Now go back down here, click on the LUT and click on this button to import the LUT. So my new LUT is going to be this one. So if I take a photo now, it looks like this. Now if I want to change it back to the standard, which is you go back up and then take a photo, you will see the difference between the colors. So to compare quickly, so I will click on play. See the color difference? So that's what the use of LUT is.